Hello and welcome back to Passionately Intrigued Arts with this gardening journey. Looks like from a few of my gardening friends who watched the previous video, um, they let me know this was elderberry. Elderberry, yes, that's what I ordered. I just couldn't remember what it was. And um, I was told Auntie Ellen said that I should have these wrapped in the paper towel, in the wet paper towel. So I'm going to take these out because I also, once I found out it was elderberry, of course, I did my research. And you can grow them in dirt or you can grow them in water. But to grow them in dirt, it requires that you soak these stems, these cuttings, for 12 to 24 hours in water. Then you have to mix, was it potting soil or peat moss with sand, wet it, and I don't know. It was a whole process. So they can be placed in water, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this dirt for something else. So what I'm going to do is I have sweet potatoes that I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and these sweet potatoes don't have anything. They're not doing anything. I know when you grow in water, it takes so much longer for something to grow. So I'm going to take these out and transplant them. I'm just going to put things in here for this moment until I do what I need to do for this elderberry. So I had 3 of these and nothing, nothing. And from what I researched, it said it could take up to 8 weeks before you start getting anything going on. It's been a couple weeks, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to use, I think, this one here. And you only dip the elderberry stem halfway in water. So I'm just going to use that one. It's going to be dirty water till I change it. And put all of these cut side down into the water. Now that one's rather short. So I know my water's dirty. I'm going to let that dirt rinse off, pour that out, and put some fresh water in here. And maybe I need a shorter glass, a shorter container for this one because it's so short, because it says halfway, only halfway, and I need to put more water in here for these to be halfway. So what I'm going to do is fill this up, and that makes it halfway for these 2 tall ones. I'll find something else, a shorter glass or something, to put this one in. But for right now, that's dirty water. But that's what I'm going to do with these until they begin to root. And how long did it say? I don't know. I got to read it again. Okay? So now what I'm going to do, let me throw this away. Let me take these potatoes out. I'm going to fill this container with the dirt and put these sweet potatoes in there. So from what I've read, you only need maybe 2 or 3 inches. You don't need a lot of dirt. So I'm just going to take it from here, which this is kind of wet. Fill this one up. I don't want to put them in my pretty pot. I just don't. Find something else to put in here. I might put onions in here. I got some sprouting onions already. They're sprouting in the bag. So I'm just going to put a few 3 inches of dirt in here. You know, it's trial and error. I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. Let's put it that way. And I appreciate those who reached out to let me know what to do. Thank you, Gina versus Gina also. And I don't know if anyone else has commented. I haven't gone back to see yet. So I'm just going to, I think it needs a little more than that. And then I meant to ask about these names on maybe I can look that up now. I don't know. Adam and looks like John. I don't know if that was supposed to be on there or what. Is that the name of elderberry trees? I don't know. Well, as much water as I put in here, I really can't tell that all that water went to the bottom. This doesn't look wet at all. So I wonder if that's enough dirt. From the video I watched, it looked like he only had 2 or 3 inches. I'll put a little bit more. A little bit more. And of course, I've got my TV on YouTube and I'm watching 755 Media. She's on with strength up on the panel. I keep YouTube on. I don't watch a lot of TV. Okay, so from my understanding, let me take these out. Well, maybe kind of in there. And you lay these down sideways, halfway in the dirt. And this might not be big enough for 3 potatoes. What do you think? I'm gonna need help with that too. So, like down in the dirt, but you leave it out. Leave the top out. You just push it down in there. Y'all tell me if I'm doing this right. I did watch a video. Let's put this one here, I guess. Put it down in that dirt. And put this last one in there. And I imagine I gotta water this, right? Yeah. Now we're gonna see what this does. Let me put some water in here. That's not enough. I guess I can use this. This is the second port that I've done. You don't want to soak it too much, is what I'm told. So I don't know what too much is. Maybe you think that's enough? Probably. I don't know. I gotta do some more reading and see how often I put water on this. I don't know. But okay, there you have it. If at first you don't succeed, try again. I'm gonna get this together. I'm gonna get it together. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Thanks for all your help. Come in and let me know if I did this right. And what do you think about this? Of course, I'm gonna rinse this. So we'll see you next time. Love ya. I'm out.